what letter is it?
8!
Good job! Hey you guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Carla and this is Carla's Sweet Life. So today I am going to be cleaning as I go. I have zero motivation to be cleaning, but it still needs to get done, and in order to keep up with my house, that's what I'm going to be doing. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. It is totally free, so go ahead and click the little red button and make sure to press the bell beside the subscribe and press all, that way you're notified when I upload a new video. That today's video is actually a collaboration with Shanthi from Shanthi'S Lifestyle. I have been loving her videos and I've loved her for a long time. I believe it was when Amber from Boss Mom Hustle, they did a collab together, and I've been watching for a while now. But I love her and her videos on her channel. They are truly awesome. She does some great cooking videos, and on her Instagram too, she'll show us like a sneak peek, guys, and her decor. Love the redone. Love her cleaning videos.
My name is Shanthi from Shanthi'S Lifestyle. On my channel, I have a lot of different content, from cleaning and organization videos, hauls, some decorate with me's, basically anything that pertains to being a woman, wife, and a mother. After you're done watching this beauties video, I'd love it if you head over to my channel to check out my video and hopefully subscribe if you like what you see. If you decide to stop by, please let me know in the comments. Hope to see you there. Bye!
So go show her some love and let her know that I sent you guys over there. It just really means a lot when you guys go over there and show the support. It really means so much for all of us YouTube creators, so I really do appreciate it. And if you're coming over from Shanthi's channel, thank you guys so much for coming and just checking my video out. I really do appreciate it. So I hope you go check out my channel and my playlist, and hopefully you'll want to stick around and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. And if you guys are returning, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it when you guys come and watch, and I see you guys. I see you in the comments, and I love getting to talk to you guys. So don't forget to say hi. Really? Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So one thing I really like to do, and it's definitely top of my list to getting motivated, is making your bed. And I mean literally, if you just have to throw on the sheets and the covers and just make it flat, nothing perfect, nothing with a ton of pillows, that will work. I promise it'll give you like, oh, okay, I got this. So I totally recommend making your bed. Sometimes it may not be perfect, but that's okay. Other days you can put up all the pillows, but sometimes you just need it to like throw those sheets over, and I will do that quite often. Sometimes I just don't want to do all the pillows, but it really helps to not get me to lay in bed, you know? Okay, so now we're just gonna go do some homeschool stuff and go from there. Like I said, I'm just bringing you guys along, trying to keep up with my household and how I do this because, you know, we're just all trying to do our best. So cleaning as I go really does help me. And in my last video, you guys, if you watched it, I will link it above, but I was a hot mess. It was a hot mess day, and I'm kind of like embarrassed, but you know, it is what it is. Like, it just really was a really hard day for me and my kids. So I'm gonna show you guys really quickly before we start homeschool what I've done to help with that. So yeah, but my little one, when it's dishes like this, he's actually been helping and rinsing them off and then putting them over here, and then from here they go into the dishwasher, and I'll do that. But he's been helping so much, and I have been loving that. He loves it, he wants to do it, so I'm all for it. So this is what I have been doing, guys, and I shared this on my Instagram. So this is a piece of paper, this is like permanent marker, and then this is like a see-through, what do you call these? I don't know, but you know what I'm talking about. And I use a dry erase marker, and this will come off really easily, but as I am doing stuff, I will cross it off. So far I've only done this, and I started to wash the whites, and I emptied the dishwasher already, and the kids will help me. This is part of their chore, but I was filming and they were not fully dressed yet. I am making them do 2 chores a day for right now because they got in trouble, like you guys saw. So they're doing 2 chores a day, and this is our little calendar. And like I said, I shared this on my Instagram, so I'm not sure what I'll be doing once this is done, because this has been helping so much. It keeps them in line and in order, and makes them responsible for some of the things that, you know, the stuff they're doing, and makes them responsible for what they did, consequences for their actions. So my list yesterday was pretty intense. It was actually a really long day, but it was really productive, and because of this I was able to get stuff done. So I totally recommend, if you guys have a lot of things on your mind, just write them all out, take it day by day, and you know, if something doesn't get done, write it for the next day.
Emptied out my soul, you've heard it all before, honest but I know, left these years ago, I was young and almost, still could fill the void, we don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow, never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love?
So I did want to mention that before starting homeschool, I like to clean up the living room, and I usually have the boys do it. They're being entertained right now, so I'm going to help them for once, but typically they will do this area and get their toys picked up before we start, because if there is stuff beside them, trust me, they will be going after them. So I like to just have everything like cleared space and open the blinds, as you guys saw, just to make it bright and, you know, warming to get their schoolwork done.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done?
Okay, so the boys are taking a little mental break and I'm gonna get me some iced coffee. I have to share this with you guys because it's so delicious, and hopefully you can get your hands on some of this cold brew coffee. So good. And I was really missing Starbucks, and I got this before like quarantine went down, so I've had it for a little while, and I've made quite a few coffees, maybe like a handful. But I really like it, and it really fixes my Starbucks fix. Like, it really helps with that because I love Starbucks. Okay, so this is literally the only ingredients. I just use the French vanilla, International Delight, and this is the Stoke, I'm not really sure how you say that, cold brew, and it is the unsweet. Smooth is like the correct word. It's so freaking yummy. All right, and taste test, guys, so good. I can already. It's so perfect. I have been really liking it. If I don't have, I usually just have 1 cup of coffee a day, and I'll either do warm or cold, but I definitely don't do both. And speaking of why I shouldn't have 2 cups of coffee, my anxiety hasn't been like too bad. Staying off of news and articles really helps. I try to watch maybe once every couple days, but other than that, I don't need it. So if you have anxiety about everything that's going on, I totally recommend stay off of it. Just do your best to stay home. We are doing our best to stay home, and that is the best thing we can do for our nation and for all of our families. So if you can, definitely try. I know the essential workers, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, but staying off of the social media, like the news and the articles, really does help me a ton. And I really recommend, if you're having anxiety about the virus and all that, just stay off of it. It will help you, and just check up on it every couple days and you'll feel so much better. Fire, what letter is it? It makes an F sound. It's a letter F. F, yeah. So we are just matching all the letters and the little pictures that go with it. Like, Brayden found F and fire to go with it. He's found piano and P. Right, Brayden?
Yeah.
So we're just working. He knows his letters and sounds, but it's the actual letter. Like, let's say it's H. He knows huh, right? But we're just looking for the actual. Good job. What letter is that? Makes a huh sound, but what letter is it?
H.
Good job. High five. Okay, I'm gonna tie this balloon.
Yeah.
All right.
Please tie it.
Is there water in here?
Yeah. But be careful. Hey.
Oh, Lordy.
No.
Done. Good job.
Oh, I got it. No.
Thanks, Bubba. What you got there? Oh, Lordy.
I mean, slam out the house.
No, don't you dare.
Well, yeah, our house.
No, no. Whoa. You're tired?
I could be who you want, cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I bluff just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on my side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name. Call my name.
What?
Alright, dry your hands off.
Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks of God can't let go.
Oh, I didn't know I was feeding you. How is it? Delicious? Taste test.
Crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy.
Mmm.
So good, right?
Yeah, so good. So it's like,
They look so good.
chewy, but crunchy. And that is always what I'm looking for in a cookie. Super good.
So good. Looks good.
Is it good?
That's the big one.
Alright, so I was able to get everything done. Homeschool chores with boys, wash wipes, empty dishwasher. So instead of the art project, we baked those cookies and then check emails. And then this is all you have to do. I am so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around. If you guys made it till the end, make sure you're subscribed and make sure to go check out Shanthi's video and her channel and subscribe to show some love. I really do appreciate you guys, and welcome if you're new here. Love you guys. I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding.
Check out my channel and my playlist I have, and okay,